Welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I can show you how to check serial number and firmware version in EcoFlow River 2 Pro device. So firstly you should open settings in EcoFlow application, and here you can scroll down and find information. So here you can find specification, and remember this code, it ends in 319, and here we have firmware, and here we can check our firmware version of our device. What about serial number? Serial number you can find here on this barcode, and as you can see it ends on 319. So this is the same code as here in application in specifications. So here is the serial number code, so you can find it in application and on the sticker on EcoFlow River 2 Pro, and in this way you can perform the likely check. So if it's different here and here, it means that it's not original. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.